We were approached by Hedwig Dances as well as Bauhaus Dessau about the opportunity to collaborate and combine ID's background in design and the culture for the performing arts and the tradition of the Bauhaus from Dessau.
It's challenging to have cross-disciplinary collaborators, but it also helps feed the idea.
Working with the students of the Institute of Design and have their point of view does think nurture a lot our work.
We got a lot of context and history as to why the Bauhaus did work like this and how they were really trying to embody forms and understand forms with their body and consider that as you're making a design. I think that's certainly a perspective I hadn't considered, and it's something I want to try out as I go forward.
How to really become a character, and through a form and in a different way than I've ever done before.
What we're finding with our design students is the opportunity to create costumes and play with light and explore the senses has really been a special opportunity to make connections between the play of the workshop relates to the creative act of creating new design solutions.
The projection aspect of it's going to be quite unique because we're taking the forms that they're making and we're turning those into natural art pieces that are going to actually become part of the projected art.
All these Bauhaus dances, material dances, form dances, space dances can be rediscovered today, that's also my vision, as a contribution for today's design education.
I think it'll be an audience experience from the moment they walk in.
And I can't wait to see the whole thing come alive.